concept of Sanatan has always been a leader which drives, which empower people, which discover the energy or the strength of a person and make him realize to find a common objective.
डॉक्टर गौरव प्रधान के नेतृत्व में हम यहाँ कश्मीर में देश के विभिन्न प्रांतों से एकत्रित हुए हैं, जिसमें हमें शास्त्रों का आज के संदर्भ में रिलेशन एवं उपयोग बताया गया तथा समय पड़ने पर शस्त्रों से धर्म एवं समाज की रक्षा की आवश्यकता भी बताई गई।
एक अच्छे लीडर की क्वालिटी यही होती है कि वो अपने डॉट्स को कनेक्ट कर सकता है, तभी तो वो विजन बनाएगा।
इन 6 दिनों में जो मैं सीखा हूँ, गौरव सर ने जिस तरह से प्रोग्राम डिजाइन किया है और उन्होंने जिस तरह से बेसिक्स के साथ में प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस का एक नमूना दिया है, उससे हमें इतना सीखने को मिला है कि हम कल से अपने जीवन में जब हम अपने फैमिली के पास जाएंगे, अपने घर जाएंगे, तब हम इतना तो कह सकते हैं कि ये सब गौरव सर का सिखाया हुआ है, जो हमें अपने जीवन में उतारना है, कार्य करना है।
I'm from Indore basically. Now, why did I choose to attend this course? I have been following Gaurav sir for past year, and I find his political views and explanation very apt to the situations and issues. So I wanted to see Sanatan Dharma from his perspective.
Example: Krishna was the group leader of 5 Pandavas. His vision was to clean that. His vision was so clear that he used each and every quality of the Pandava. He used archery as a strength. He used Arjun. When the Gada was there and the wrestling was there with Duryodhana, he used him. He did ask Arjun to fire an arrow at Duryodhana and kill him. He asked him to do.
मेरा नाम अंकित श्रीवास्तव है। मैं भोपाल मध्य प्रदेश का निवासी हूँ। मैं एक एविएशन कंपनी में काम करता हूँ और मेरे यहाँ आने का मकसद सर के जियोपॉलिटिकल व्यूज़ एंड उनका सनातन से रिलेशन मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता था, इसलिए मैं यहाँ पे आया था। और जब यहाँ पे आने के बाद मुझे यहाँ पे सीखने को मिला, वो था धैर्य और चरित्र।
This is Lakshman Praveen Naidu. I'm from Hyderabad, Telangana. I have been an IT professional for the last 12 plus years, and I have been following Gaurav Pradhan sir for last 2 years over the social media. And over the last 6 days, what sir has told using shastras from Sanatana Dharma via Ramayana, Mahabharata, and Chanakya has been like really enlightening. I mean, all through my life, like I never understood the leadership aspect from the shastras, but coming to this program helped me with that. And the next 3 days, what better can be learning from the shastras, which is the Indian military, and we got a chance to interact with various ranks of Indian military, and it has been a very great experience.
My name is Tejas Vyas and I am born and brought up in Mumbai. When I got to know about this course, I thought this is a good opportunity to learn about Sanatan Shastras and the leadership qualities imparted by them, and the importance of Shastra, which is required to enforce or make sure that truth, right behavior and social order prevails.
In the story of Mahabharata, at the battlefield of Kurukshetra, Arjun lost his motivation to fight and was paralyzed through inaction. Shri Krishna motivated him to act irrespective of the result of his action. As Bhagavad Gita says, not to worry or desire for the result, but perform for one courage.
I'm Hiten Rana, coming from Mumbai, working as Managing Director with SSNC Technologies. I came to this program because of my absolute trust in Dr. Gaurav Pradhan, whom I've been following for the past several years, and I look up to him as a leader who always encourages his followers to think and not react. And considering he came up with one of the most unique leadership programs in the country, there was no way I would miss it for anything else in the world. Well, we've learned plenty over the past 7 days on Shastra, Shastra and Dharma, and it would be difficult for us to summarize our learning in less than a minute. But for me, the biggest takeaway is leaders are not necessarily born, but they could be groomed and trained based on our Sanatan values.
मेरा नाम धवल कोटेचा है। मैं अहमदाबाद का रहने वाला हूं। अपने पार्टनर्स के साथ रैपिड सॉल्यूशंस नाम की कंपनी चलाता हूं। आर्मी के जवानों और अफसरों से मिलने का जो मौका था, वही अपने आप में एक बदलाव लाने वाला अनुभव था। गौरव जी ने हमारे अंदर एक भूख जगाई है कि मैं वापस जाके धार्मिक ग्रंथों को मैं पढूं और जो वो बदलाव हमें देखना चाहते हैं वो बदलाव मैं लेके आऊँ।
This is Sunny from Maharashtra. I'm into IT trading, हार्डवेयर ट्रेडिंग बिजनेस। फर्स्ट 3 days हमने सुनकर समझा शास्त्र से कि व्हाट इज़ लीडरशिप क्वालिटीज़, हाउ टू बिल्ड देम एंड हाउ दे बिकम अ टूल फ्रॉम राम कृष्ण एंड चाणक्य। इन नेक्स्ट 3 days वी लर्न हाउ टू प्रैक्टिकली यूज देम फ्रॉम सोल्जर्स, बिकॉज सोल्जर्स आर द चलते फिरता विद्यालय होता है सोल्जर अपने आप में एक लीडरशिप का।
I am Venkat Sai Sriram Tuma. I'm from Hyderabad. So we learned about Shastra, we learned about Shastra, and we learned about Dharma. So these 3 are important for every person. I think following these would help you go through walks of life very easily.
स्पिरिचुअलिटी सुबह 4 बजे उठ के पूजा करना नहीं है। स्पिरिचुअलिटी का मतलब होता है सीकर। A seeker means learner. A leader is always a learner.
My name is Siddharth Raina. I am from Delhi. I came here in this leadership course with expectation of understanding our scriptures with respect to leadership and appreciating the fact that how core leadership can be attained and implemented in our daily lives, personal, professional.
I had come here to learn the hidden knowledge which is kept in our scriptures. I would thank Gaurav sir for imparting that knowledge in a very simple and grounded way.
By going back home, I really feel that this will transform me and to be a better leader and a better human being.
My name is Manoj and I'm from Bangalore. Are narrated in our Vedic scriptures and correlating those examples in my corporate life to take those values from the leadership would be immense for my transformation into a transformational leader.
Myself Roshan, I'm from Bengaluru. I work as a technical lead for an IT company. I joined this course to learn about leadership. I learned how in-depth the knowledge of our ancestors were. I'm thankful to DGP sir for giving me an opportunity to be part of this training.